Okay, so this one, very quickly, b is 23, so we want it to equal 23. We got 3 times negative 36. That's a, that's b, that's c, right? So the negative sign. So how do we deal with that? Again, the way I would do this is I always take the calculator, remove the table, and then go up into my equation and delete that top, right? Like I've already set this one up, but I go up in there and delete it. So then I put in the new one. 3 times negative 36. We're dividing by 3, dividing by 3. If you'll write all this up to start, there's a good chance you will not make any mistakes, right? So now we got 3 times negative 36. Push enter. Menu 7. Split the screen. So there's all my numbers that I'm looking for, right? All of my factors. I'm looking for a factor that equals a positive 23. Well, negative 27 and 4 is negative 23, but this is positive numbers that are smaller. So let's go up. Now I got positive numbers that are bigger and smaller negative numbers. So 27 minus 4 is 23, right? Negative 4, 27. The negative doesn't change anything. We follow the same process. Take these factors, put them up, and then divide it. 27 divided by 3 is 9. This is a fraction. So x, you would say plus negative 4 over 3, but we'll just say minus 4 over 3. And then take the bottoms up. So we got 3x minus 4 on this side, and over here it's just x plus 9. Okay? And what we want to look at is on the back, some things that will trip us up, because I think this gets pretty quick, right? Like this one, just quick, negative 5. I want my answer to equal negative 5. It's 4 times negative 6, right? And we're dividing by 4, dividing by 4. There's no big deal. When I do this one, again, I want to go in here and just change the numbers. So menu, remove the table, tab, go up. It's 4 times negative 6. Menu 7. So if you get pretty quick at that, you can find the factors quick. And I want the ones that equal negative 5. Well, that's too big, too big. 3 and negative 8. This adds up to negative 5. So I got a 3 here, negative 8 here. Right? That's negative 2, and then this is the fraction. At this point, I'll kind of stop writing it and then rewriting it. I'll just say this is going to be a bottoms up. So this one is 4x plus 3, and this is x minus 2, because it's a negative 2. On the back, we get into the ones that might give us some issues. There's going to be some problems that look different, and so that gives us something where we'll make a mistake. Like this one right here, 11. If I have a goes with x squared, there's no x here. So this isn't b, this is c. It's a constant. b equals 0 because there's no x. The zeros actually make these easy problems, but a lot of kids will get tripped up, right? It has to equal 0. Divided by 16, divided by 16. It needs to equal 0, not a factor, right? So 16 times negative 81. Don't freak out. Again, remove the table. Go up in there, really big number, 16 times negative 81. And then here's the deal. If I want it to equal 0, what numbers add up to 0? 1, negative 1. 10, negative 10. 100, negative 100. So I need to make these the two numbers that are exactly the same, except one is positive and one is negative. So I just keep scrolling down until I find the one that has the same digits. There you go, 36 and negative 36. So Here's 36, and here's negative 36. Right? Those are fractions. If you cannot reduce the fractions or you struggle with that, just go home and go to calculate. Type it in. 36 divided by 16. Oh, there's a 2 already in there. 9/4. So both of these are 9/4. This is negative 9/4. Bottoms up, right? For both of those. So I got 4x plus 9 and 4x minus 9. So that's a rule that you can kind of, you don't have to memorize it, but it helps if you remember that anytime b is a 0 or missing, you're going to have the same number here. One positive, one negative. Right? That will help.